In this video, we'll show you how to use the favorites module of DesignerLogic to help spec out a project. So we're on this project right here in the project dashboard, but if we go into the items and work page, we can see that there are not too many items on this and we want to add some items to this. So we come over to the favorites section. And the favorite section is basically just items that are bookmarked that we might want to use in the future. These items can be uploaded by yourself from your computer, or you can clip them from the internet with DesignerLogic's web clipper. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to take a look at this chandelier right here. And let's go into the details page of the chandelier. And here we see all the information about it. And if we clipped it from the internet, the item web page will be saved. And in this case, that's Restoration Hardware's page, which we can see all the information on it. And again, that's from this link right here. But let's save this to the project and see what that looks like. So if we hit Add to Project, it has all your information here on the right, so you can review it before you add it. And then over here, we just select the project. If we want to put it on a proposal, we'll click that proposal link right there. The sales code just tells us what it is. In this case, we'll call it lighting. And we'll put it in the library. And down here you can see all the other information was copied over, including the unit cost, which is what you pay for it when you buy it yourself. Now charging the client, let's say in this case we want to charge 50%, so I'll change that to 0.5. And we'll click Calculate Current Price, and it gives us the final price to the client right here. Down here, all the dimensions were saved, and if we want to copy all the spec information, just check this box. And you can see it copied everything from here over to here. And then you can put an extra description in for the client if you want to right here, but we'll leave that blank for now. And then let's hit save and go to project. And now you can see that this item has been added to the project along with all the other items. And from here we can put this item on a proposal, invoice, or purchase order in any combination. And we'll show you that in a few minutes. And one last thing to remember is when you put an item from the favorites on a project, it does not remove it from the favorites. The favorites is basically a page of bookmarks that you have for different items you might want to use in the future. And you can tag those by projects, you can tag them by what room or area they'll look it in, or you can make miscellaneous tags of your own so you can easily find those in the filter section up here. So again, the favorites module will help you spec out a project's item list very quickly and easily.